Cybersecurity is about authority first and foremost. Why is the chief of the armed forces of the Philippines directly under the command of the president? Because it is about authority. Security is about authority. So cybersecurity is also about the security of the Philippine cyberspace, and therefore it has to be put under or directly under the office of the president or the president, because the president is the commander-in-chief, and cybersecurity is part of our domain. We have land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace. We have to protect that. Now, to secure that, it needs the authority coming from the highest official of the land. In the same manner that in businesses, the CISOs or the Chief Information Security Officers must be reporting directly to the President and CEO. Otherwise, the cybersecurity programs will be secondary. No, if you put the cybersecurity function under CIO, the CIO will always prioritize his CIO deliverables. Then budget for cybersecurity will not be a priority. You put that in a CTO, same thing. Put that function in a CFO, CFO will always prioritize his KPIs as CFO other than. So you put cybersecurity functions directly under the office of the president.
Ano what you said, sir?
Well, it has to be
Is it, ano, sir?
law.
Lobby na ba siya or current na under provision na ba siya, sir?
Walang nag-ano ng ganun eh.
So it's your
Ito nga,
suggestion.
the closest nga is this National Cybersecurity Agency.
But it's still under the ICT.
Yes, oo,
Okay.
under the ICT.
Sa ibang bansa ba, sir? Ganito ba yung scheme nila na under siya ng
Yes.
president? Okay.
Yung Cyber Command ng US, I think Spain also has that. So it needs power kasi, it needs authority.
Okay.